Hello everyone. So for today's video, I'll be sharing you what happened to me last night or the other night pala yun. I have 6 classes every night. So 5 doon are mga H5 learners. So madali lang yung gawan ng LM kasi mga checklist lang yun at saka mga regular students ko sila. Yung isang klase ko po ay adult. So iba yung lesson memo ng adult. You have to enter some pronunciation check at saka grammatical errors. So that night, I was also busy doing live in TikTok. So after making an LM, I am answering questions po sa TikTok. The whole period ng aking klase, para naman ma-share ko yung the way I teach every night, I do TikTok live and at the same time answer questions. Ngayon, yung adult student ko ay set aside muna kasi nga medyo kailangan ko ng time to remember those mga grammatical errors. Now, medyo nag-enjoy sa TikTok live. After that, I took my dinner tapos mayroon ng ginawa. So nalimutan ko talagang gumawa ng lesson memo that time. Now the next morning around mga 12 o'clock, I tried to check on my portal kasi mayroon lang mga babasahin. Ngayon, nagtaka ako bakit mayroong discrepancy sa lesson summary at doon nakita ko tumatakbo ang absent. Bakit nagka-absent? So, yung isang adult ko, it was actually my class at 7 o'clock. Dapat magawan ko yun ng memo before 9 o'clock the next morning. So, ang nangyari, kasi talagang totally nalimutan ko siya, umabot ng 12 o'clock. So, you will be marked absent. Kasi nalimutan mo talaga siya na mag-post ng lesson memo at umabot ng 12 o'clock the next morning. So, yan po yung mangyayari. So, kung napansin ko lang siya agad kahit na mga around 10 o'clock the next morning, okay pa sana yun. I will be charged with mga 30 or 30 plus na deduction for the late lesson memo. First time talaga na nangyari yon sa akin na nagka-absent ako dahil nalimutan kong gumawa ng lesson memo. So watch out po kayo niyan, teachers. If you have a class 6:30 up to 11:55, dapat gawan nyo siya ng memo not later than 9 o'clock the next morning. Kasi kung lalagpas doon, mayroong late memo na penalties. Pero kung nalimutan talaga at umabot na ng 12 o'clock in the afternoon po, the next morning, you will have absent talaga. Absent yung mangyayari sa mga lessons niyo kahit na you did have the class. So that's really one of the rules here. So pakita ko sa inyo, yan yung naging deduction ko. Tsaka yun, yung meter ko nagkaroon ng 1 point kasi late notification yung nangyari. Yeah, pero hindi naman talaga siya sana absent, pero na-charge siya as absent late notification. So, watch out lang kayo. So, it's my learning experience. Talagang nagkamali naman talaga ako. I hope na hindi ito mangyari sa inyo. At saka ito pa, yung klase ninyo sa 6 o'clock in the evening, yung 1800. If you have a class of 1800 hanggang sa 1825, so that is 6 to 6:25, dapat nagawan nyo agad yan ng lesson memo before 8 o'clock in the evening. Kasi paglagpas niyan, late lesson memo na po kayo. At maglagpas pa ng 12 o'clock the next morning, talagang hindi nakapag-lesson memo, mangyayari yun sa inyo yung nangyari sa akin. So watch out po kayo dyan. Always take into consideration to immediately make your lesson memo every after class. Okay, so gamitin natin yung 5 minutes intervals. That's all for today. So I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. And if you want to be one of my referrals, so just message me here in TikTok or in my messenger account or message nyo ko doon sa comment section so that I can guide you and refer you para matulungan kayo along your processing of your application. That would be all for today. Thank you very much and see you next time.